Deutsche Bank. Several ideas come to mind when you hear this company name. Scandal, labor manipulation case, money laundering, or corruption. But all of these viewpoints are merely the cover of exterior shell of books that have been disseminated over the globe, without our understanding the fundamental of their motion. However, despite all of this negative, Deutsche Bank is already the 22nd largest bank in the world with assets more than $1.4 trillion, at least before the euro plunged 80% versus dollar. The German bank has a CET1 of 30%, which is higher than Goldman Sachs and the same to JP Morgan. The CET1 or the Tier 1 capital ratio is the liquid bank cash what bank need to safeguard itself in the case of a crisis. However, in terms of leverage ratio, DB is still inferior to the two banks above. Since its founding in Berlin, Germany in 1870, Deutsche Bank has expanded throughout 150 years, spreading like an octopus to numerous nations. They have followed the same strategy for many centuries, which entail buying financially viable but in the bankrupt business condition. They purchase it for derivative asset in a large quantity at extremely low price in the mission to grow even bigger. And right now, Deutsche Bank expand 155 other countries with the biggest combined revenue from the US, UK, and Germany will reach 19.5 billion in 2021. Government, business, and more than 20,000 corporations and hedge funds are among Deutsche Bank institutional clients, but several large banks, including ABC, adopt negative interest rate policy after the 2008 financial crisis. Because high cost living and high unemployment rate at the time, many were unable to purchase items. Additionally, this raised concern about deflation across all of Europe. To boost economic growth, ABC will implement a negative interest rate policy, and this is closely tied to Deutsche Bank involvement. Mortgage debt and CDO, which are combination of bundled mortgage debt, were Deutsche Bank primary business in 2000, with loan investment package for their client with a greater return guarantee than standard bond. The housing price at that period, specifically at 2004 and 8, has climbed dramatically, making it appear alluring. Every owner of property will experience material improvement in asset ROI and financial stability, allowing them the confidence to take on more debt by all-time high interest rate. Their client benefit from this since they can receive ROI interest that is 2 times bigger than typically. The degree of confidence among investor, bank, and mortgage borrower was at all-time high from this property source. If they are unable to repay the installment, the borrower property may be taken by the bank for a portion of the CDO holder asset and sold at the considerably high price due to the fact that property was truly very liquid at that time. This led to a great deal of speculative things from a banker, including Deutsche, like making mortgage application easier, which are considerably risky and printed a high interest rate, with the intention of forcing many mortgage applications to be unable to fulfill their financial installment and be forced to sell their home at extremely low price to the bank. Following that, Deutsche Bank itself will bring the sized property up for auction. Because of that, Deutsche Bank can offer CDO at amazing interest with a risk can be played. This is the silver bullet they had. In fact, that many investors have been drawn in. They are familiar with this game. However, they keep betting because the institution and hedge fund are major bank of client. They care more about significant growth than their investor position or money, and that pattern make Deutsche Bank total asset wealth value at $2.6 trillion and $81 billion market cap in 2007. Consequently, Deutsche Bank at the time had the most assets worldwide. The Deutsche Bank itself is capable of setting up CDO bundle package. CDO with a successful auction history will be designed with the intention of being purchased by the bank. Meanwhile, CDO that perform poorly will be designed to be sold to their client. And in doing so, they can make a risky bet with no internal risk while leaving the remainder to their client. However, not every one of these transactions has been resolved by Deutsche Bank. property was no longer in such high demand as it once because of its high price property at that time. Every CDO holder will scream during the sales conjunction in property and domino security auction market. Many banks can't control the safeguard on asset while messy investment flow. Every bad transaction is painted on their stock price when the bubble occurs, sharpen it to a 90% of market cap. In 2008, they report the biggest loss in the last 50 years. They were able to weather in catastrophe without aid the government, though since what they did was sell the bad CDO to their client. But post-crisis even, several European nations had an extremely high level of debt, which caused many debtors to default on payment. Deutsche Bank had a sizable portfolio in Italy and Spain with a credit risk of 18 and 12 billion euro at the time, specifically in 2012. Due to the default, they are compelled to reduce debtor payment. After that, the high debt in Europe has made everyone discouraged by good and focused on paying off past mortgage loan. They also feel traumatic by the risk of debt and reluctant to buy a house. This provoked an economic downturn that led to deflation. In addition to rise the real sector trade inflation in Europe and real estate market, European Central Bank (ECB) implement negative interest rate in June 2014 to weaken the euro. Since then, European interest rates have been below 0% and reaching the lowest point in the September 2019 at the negative 0.5. If there is no interest, then investing in Europe is not profitable for investors. In this case, is the bond market and their CDO. Due to the large number of investors who left the truly toxic CDO market, Deutsche Bank dumped more than a half of its assets. They must shift their business away from the interest-bearing loan sector towards corporate bank, investment bank, private bank, and asset management. They can get gain from this transformation in the stock market, particularly the OTC or over-the-counter market, and help German business real sector. In addition to following the German oligarchs' demand, they did this because they recognize that the enormous potential in the actual business. ABC has made a strategic decision to boost export performance by letting the euro depreciate during many years. Because compared to US dollar, their stuff will be significantly less expensive and boost ability to compete in international trade. These actions were successful. Export of goods and services have accounted for 49.53% of the European GDP. Additionally, when the European depreciate against the dollar, company earning percentage will be rise, reviving the European economy. Germany is the one illustration. Nearly 70% of their GDP is derived from the service sector, while export account for 41% GDP. Additionally, Deutsche Bank may take position as long as the interest rate is negative for the CLO market or collateralized loan obligation. That is the same of loan bundle. But the borrower is corporation on the ground that they can profit greatly from the interest on loan once the economy has recovered and the bank central turn on the interest rate faucet. Given that the German economy play in a significant part in overall financial system in Europe, with Deutsche Bank being the biggest player, the GDP data above was created as a derivative of their money machine, but they were forced to use funds from their own internal reserve and take on a lot of risky debt because not many institutions want to invest in them after the 2008 crisis. They were buried alive with a negative interest for more than a 7 year. Previously, getting the difference in interest from borrower to investor was the main business. And when 0% rate will make a risk for many customers in retail bank now. And all of those bank account holder will be impacted by its bankruptcy. The German government cannot remain in silence. making themselves the leading base in the conflict while acquiring the loan debt. They have gone through enough pain due to the fact that they are large multinational bank with thousands of workers. Their income falls sharply. In addition, they are required to offer the mortgage loan, which are more vulnerable to failure due to already excessive high property price and penny interest rate. To help German economy, they must take this action and continue to keep their minimum capital ratio in order to avoid the bankrupt. They must carry on in order to prevent the escalating the losses of other party. If we understand each other well, every issue involving corruption and unlawful transaction carried by Deutsche Bank serve to uphold their financial account. And the same deception has been performed by the every banking in comparable business, whether it's stock market manipulation, unlawful business dealing, insider trading, or even treating the nation unfairly so that cartel party can monopoly in there. Low interest rate bank will employ a variety of methods other than interest to generate income when the interest rate is high, and vice versa. Bank will employ a variety of strategies in order to distribute loan and draw in the significant sum of public funding. Additionally, the movement of the currency at the export level is crucial in determining the interest rate position. For instance, bonds with a high interest rate are particularly beneficial investment if their currency is strengthening, like the US dollar is right now. It is clearly that several nations are currently stockpiling that money. However, the gain in the value is not permanent, and there will come a day when American dollar will the same as Europe in 2012. Stagnation caused by the US dollar higher price comparable to euro, and there are several nations sending conflict messages about this, including Putin, who is preventing the supply of gas and oil to Europe. In addition to pressure on the stock market, Putin dictated for using renewable energy rather than oil, which is still largely controlled by the United States. He don't speak it at first, but his motion is push Europe to make that infrastructure. Europe has concentrated on using renewable energy as a component development project to boost their economy, apart from decline in the value of their currency, which will boost export on the global market. There is potential for Europe itself to create energy-related project for efficiency import energy, and the Deutsche Bank can once more benefit from them. With 970 billion euro in interest-bearing asset, Deutsche Bank was able to enter the market when the two key worked together, and interest rate rose as the result of European inflation, and bank once more to go to the field. If we compare between Deutsche Bank, Goldman Sachs, and JP Morgan, Deutsche Bank has asset worth $1.475 trillion, Goldman Sachs bear at $1.462 trillion, and JP Morgan at $3.773 trillion. When viewed from the total asset, seems have not a big difference, but if you look at the other variable, everything will look in contrast, especially in terms of market cap. Meanwhile, in terms of its financial report, Deutsche Bank will target 62.5 cost-income ratio in 2025, will compete fiercely with the major competitor bank. From net interest margin and swap fee, of course it will go up following the increase of interest rate. Deutsche Bank also promised a dividend distribution of 50% of their net income, from $0.21 per share to forecast target $3.3 billion in 2024. Meanwhile, if we look at the ratio of GDP to German debt, it is certainly healthier when compared to America or other. The stock index will grow and make their people have a lot of money. Apart from aging individual, it doesn't appear to have a significant impact on the company due of their ability to employ foreign workers and support for technology that boosts worker productivity. In order for company to compete in the global market, executive intelligence is the key factor, and everyone can use the same technology template, and that has made the GDP. The impact on the European bank sector will be favorable and raising Deutsche Bank's share price to match the major bank present sitting share price. Additionally, whether compared to the average PE ratio for the world or extremely close S&P 500, PE ratio of German and other European nations will undoubtedly appear low. When we buy in stock, we could see our asset decline in value, usually brought on by the ailing corporate sector or perhaps a decline in income. But for the German oligarchy machine is an exception. There is oligarch who won't leave Deutsche Bank, as evidenced by the fact that they have been around for more than 150 years and this bank was made a German. They will do all kind of way to get profit, whether it's from interest rate and illegal transaction, money laundering, currency manipulation, or even market making activity, over-the-counter market. Make them profit every purchase on sale of share and provide opposite effect to their trading partner. Manipulate the market with a power of mountain of money, mass media, politics, and government police that are in their hand. So what do you think should be done? Whether to buy or move and look for other stock? Let's discuss with me. Send comment below.